UK drivers who own caravans and motorhomes are being caught off guard by a brand new rule coming into effect on October 12, 2025. It's one of the most significant changes to hit leisure vehicle owners in years, and it's already causing confusion and concern among thousands of drivers across the country. The government and the DVLA have confirmed that this update will impact how caravans and motorhomes are registered, driven, and insured, especially for those who tow them regularly or use them for long-distance travel. Whether you're a holidaymaker, a retiree exploring the countryside, or simply someone who enjoys the freedom of the open road, this rule could directly affect you. The new law focuses on updated licensing and safety requirements for anyone towing or driving motorhomes and caravans that exceed certain weight limits. Previously, drivers who passed their test before January 1, 1997, had automatic rights to tow larger caravans or drive heavier motorhomes without additional tests. Those who got their license after that date had to pass extra tests to gain a Category B or C1 entitlement, depending on the vehicle's size. However, from October 12, 2025, the DVLA is introducing a new standard that changes how towing capacity and motorhome weight are measured and certified. The aim is to improve safety on UK roads, but many drivers are shocked to learn they may now fall outside the legal limits for the current setups. Under the new rule, all caravans and motorhomes will be subject to a revised gross vehicle weight (GVW) and gross train weight (GTW) certification system. This means that the combined weight of the vehicle, the passengers, and the load it's carrying must now be recorded and approved under updated DVLA and Department for Transport guidelines. If your motorhome or caravan exceeds the new limits, you could face fines of up to £2,500, points on your license, and even insurance invalidation if caught. Essentially, the government is cracking down on overweight or improperly licensed vehicles that pose potential safety risks on UK roads. Another major part of the rule involves mandatory checks and inspections for caravans over 750 kilograms. Drivers will need to ensure that their caravan's towing equipment meets the latest safety standards, including updated coupling systems and improved braking mechanisms. In addition, any caravan or motorhome over 3.5 tons will now need to undergo annual roadworthiness tests similar to an MOT. This is designed to address the rising number of accidents involving large leisure vehicles over the past few years, many of which were linked to weight imbalance, poor maintenance, or driver inexperience. Insurance companies are also updating their policies in response to this rule. Many have announced that drivers must provide proof that their vehicles comply with the new DVLA standards to maintain coverage. If your caravan or motorhome exceeds the legal weight limit or lacks the required certification, you might not be able to make an insurance claim in the event of an accident. For regular caravan owners, this adds another layer of responsibility and stress as they scramble to ensure everything is up to code before October 12. The government insists that the new rule is about improving road safety, not punishing drivers. Recent figures show that over 5,000 caravan-related incidents occur on UK roads every year, often due to overloading or incorrect towing setups. By tightening the regulations, officials hope to reduce these accidents and encourage better maintenance and awareness among caravan users. However, critics argue that the change has been rushed and poorly communicated, leaving many drivers unaware until the last minute. Caravan clubs and motoring associations have raised concerns that the sudden rule change could create chaos, especially for those planning autumn or winter holidays. Many drivers booked campsites months in advance, unaware that their vehicles might no longer be compliant under the new standards. The National Caravan Council has urged the government to introduce a grace period, allowing owners extra time to update their vehicles and paperwork without penalties. For now, however, the October 12 enforcement date remains firm. Another major impact is on motorhome manufacturers and dealers. They're now required to provide updated weight certifications for all new and existing vehicles, ensuring compliance with the DVLA's revised categories. This means some older models might need official recertification or modifications, such as upgraded brakes or reinforced chassis components. The process can be expensive, with costs ranging from a few hundred to several £1,000s depending on the vehicle type. For everyday drivers, the key takeaway is to check their vehicle's weight and license category immediately. You can find the relevant information in your logbook, V5C, or by using the DVLA's online tools. If you passed your driving test after 1997 and plan to tow a caravan or drive a motorhome weighing more than 3.5 tons, you'll likely need to upgrade your license. This involves taking an additional driving test, known as the C1 or B entitlement, which assesses your ability to handle larger or heavier vehicles safely. The change also affects those who hire caravans or motorhomes for holidays. Rental companies will now be required to verify each customer's license type and ensure that vehicles are matched appropriately to drivers' entitlements. Failure to do so could lead to hefty fines for both the company and the renter. In short, whether you own or hire your vehicle, you'll need to make sure everything is properly certified before hitting the road after October 12. While the rule has sparked frustration, there's also hope that it will bring long-term benefits. Supporters believe it will improve safety, protect insurance integrity, and create a more transparent framework for vehicle weight limits. But for now, confusion remains high, and drivers are racing to understand exactly what's expected of them. The message from experts is clear: don't ignore this change. Double-check your paperwork, review your vehicle's weight specifications, and ensure your license matches what you're driving or towing. The new rule may feel inconvenient, but failing to comply could lead to serious legal and financial trouble.